What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we got to replace a radiator on a 2017 Chevy Traverse. So let's get started. Let's open this mamma jamma. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is remove this plastic trim right here. And there's 10 plastic clips. One. This one's already broken. Lift this up just like that. You're going to have 4 in the front. 2 on top. This one's missing, so let's move on. This trim too. And now what we're gonna do, guys, is pick up this trim piece and pull up and out of the way. Just like that. All right, so now we can start unbolting the bumper. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 T20s, I believe so. I'll confirm on that. And you're gonna have 2 7mm bolts on the side. Let's confirm if it's a T20. Yep, T20, guys. Now we can do this side, guys. And now we can raise and support the vehicle. So it doesn't look like there's a skid plate on here, so we're gonna start removing these bolts on this side. Remove this 10mm bolt that's holding this bumper. Now let's remove these. 1, 2. This is that flap, guys. Now that's off. Let's go do the other side. And let's bring her back down. We almost got that bumper off, guys. All right, guys, now we're gonna go to the fender well, and you're gonna remove that T20 right there, and you're gonna have another one right there, and a 8mm or 7mm. I'm not sure. We'll find out right now. So this one, guys, is a 7mm. Now we can remove that. There you go. Now do the exact same thing to this side. Now we have all that disconnected. Now we can grab that bumper, and you're gonna just pull, just like that. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. And you're gonna have some electrical connectors to disconnect. So let's pull back the trim, and there will be some lights you gotta disconnect, okay, guys? Right there, okay? It's got a safety clip. Pull the tab, pull it out. Let's go do the exact same thing to the other side. Grab the bumper, just pull, just like that. And disconnect that electrical connector up inside there. So now, guys, we are ready to remove this bumper. So you just grab the top, move it off the tabs, and that's it. Yep, move it out of the way. Another one bites the dust. Looks weird with no bumper, huh? All right, bumper is now off. Check this out though, guys. Look at that. The transmission cooler is pushed up, and look at that. The AC condenser is like dent up all the way up, so it's been pushed up. Look at that. That's crazy. All right, let's get to work. Now, next we're gonna do is remove this mamma jamma. It's held on by a clip here, a couple of bolts there. So let's start doing it. First thing we're gonna do is remove this clip. Let's get you the trim tool, and let's remove this clip, guys. You're gonna have one on top. This is the one on the bottom, guys. There you go. And let's do the exact same thing to this side. As you can see, this side is not here. There you go. And we're gonna go to the ambient sensor, I think, or the air temperature sensor. I forgot what that's called. But anyways, so you just grab this, you twist a little bit, and you can disconnect it like that. 15mm, guys. This one. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And if you drop one in there, it's okay. We can get it out with a magnet. 10mm right here. Voila. Holy chetos. All right, guys, so make sure you hold it before you move that bolts. Let's remove that last 10mm. That is off. You can grab this. Get that last bolt out of there. Come on, get up. There you go. And that's that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now we can remove this thing. It's held on by 4 10 millimeters on top, and you're gonna have, I believe, 1, 2 on the bottom. Let's get to it. So we'll have 2 on top. 1, 2. Now we can remove the bottom one. Same thing to this side. There you go. So now let's grab this piece and we can slide it up and out. And guys, we're gonna remove these little metal rings. There's gonna be 1 right there, 1 in the bottom, and 3 in the other side, okay? That's 1. Ooh. Just pull that out, move it out of the way. That's all we can do for now. Now we're gonna remove our radiator support brackets. There's 1 right here and 1 on the opposite side. Let's remove this one. Okay, and the same thing on this side. All right then. Just lift up out of the way. Okay, so now let's move this condenser. So there's little tabs right here, pinch, and that's how you move that out of the way. Same thing to this side, pinch, out of the way. Now we can remove this condenser, pop that out of there, and pop that out of there. And we'll set it out of the way so it doesn't bother us. So we're almost there, guys. Now let's go drain that coolant. So they didn't give us no petcock, assholes. But anyways, so we're gonna drain it from their lower radiator hose. So we'll grab our catch can. Hopefully it is make it in there. So let's go open this radiator cap. That's off to the side. So let's grab this lower clamp. We're gonna give it a little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just like that. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna get all fucking soaked in my fucking sleeve anyways. Slowly jiggle it off. Let it leak out a bit. All right, slowly move it out of the way. Just like that. Oh! Just let it leak out for a bit. And you're always gonna end up making a mess. But it's okay. Let's move on. Just to give us some more space, we're gonna remove this hood latch so we can remove this radiator with the fan shroud. So let's mark it so we can put it back the exact same spot. What's wrong with my marker? God damn it. Work. There you go. Mark it like that. Same thing on this side. What the hell? Let's remove this out of the way. It's 1. These are 13 millimeter bolts, guys. Set that up there. Let's remove this hose that connects to the reservoir. Set that to the side. And we're gonna remove that lower, not lower, I'm sorry. We're gonna remove that upper radiator hose now. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's all on the wiggle, guys. All right, there you go. We'll grab that hose, just remove it. Yep. We could grab one of these hose clamps, pinch it to prevent any other coolant from leaking when we remove it. Just tuck that out of the way. Okay, fellas, now we can start removing these transmission lines. There's 1 right here, and see that one? That one runs to the bottom. So let's remove those. Let's remove this little plastic ring right there. And you're gonna have a little metal clip in between that, okay? So you're gonna grab your little pick. You're gonna put it in between the little wedges. You're gonna pry out. So I'm trying to put it in between there. See that? And then I can work it out. There you go. And that's how that looks like, guys. Now we gotta do the exact same thing to the bottom. So we're gonna put our tool all the way in there. And we're gonna pry out, okay? There you go. Let's give it a good wiggle. There you go. That's off. Now the bottom one is right here. And remember, you're gonna do the exact same thing. Remove that little plastic clip. Move this ring. So after you remove that clip, you're just gonna pop that hose or line, whatever you wanna call it. Anyways, and now let's disconnect the radiator fan connectors. I set that to the side. Oh, there's my pliers. God damn it. I thought I lost you. Found them. Radiator is almost ready to come out. We just gotta remove this plastic trim right here. With little clips. Pop that off the radiator. Get off. All right. There's gonna be another one somewhere around here. So now everything is off. Now we can take this radiator off. You're gonna pick it up and pull it out like that. And there she is. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Damn it. All right. Then we're just gonna set this down. All right, so now let's start removing this fan assembly. It's gonna be held on by two 10mm bolts on the top. That's one. Two. T20 in the bottom. Oh shit, there's one on the top. What the fuck? Okay, anyways, now it can come off. There you go. And remove these rubber things in the bottom. We'll set those to the side. And let's go grab our new radiator. So here's our new radiator. Let's grab the fan shroud. And we're gonna slide it in. Just like that. Grab your 10 mils. Start with this one. All right, she's ready to go. Let's go put her back in. All right, guys, so before we put the other one, let's take this off because the new one does come with that. And save it. And now, guys, now we gotta do is reinstall in reverse order. And let's not forget this. All right, let's do this. She's almost done, guys, almost done. Make sure it's in there. Whew. I think it's time for a NOS break. All right, guys, we're almost done. It's not really that much of a hard job. It's just a lot of stuff to take off, you know. Yep. Ah, what a beautiful day, and I'm at work. Let's hurry up so we can go home and be with our family. I'm gonna clean the bottom now. All right, let's go back here. Get one of these funnels things. So now, guys, we are going to bleed the system. Let's put this to the side. And let's find the right adapter. So we know it's gonna be this one. Let's put this funnel down here. Let's try this black one right here. Got the black one. Nope, too loose. Let's get the purple one. Oh, it's better. Then you grab your little adapter, tighten that up. Just like that. And we grab the funnel and we insert it like that. Now let's go fill her up. And you want to fill her up to like right here. And then we can start bleeding the system. All right, guys, well, now she's filled to right here. Now we can go in, start the car, turn the heat on high. Let's go do that. Okay, so now we're gonna get inside and we're gonna bleed it. So first thing you do is turn the vehicle on. This is on. You're gonna turn it full blast, turn the heat all the way on, and make sure the AC is off, guys. Full heat, on high. We'll face it towards our faces. And you're gonna let it run, guys, until operating temperature. And when you do that, it's cycling through the whole system, through the heater core, everything. And once the system gets warm and it's at operating temperatures, your fans kick on, then you know the system's bled. No more air bubbles, then you're all good. So we're gonna let this run for a bit. We're gonna wait until it gets to operating temperature and wait until this gets warm. Look at the turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. All right, no more playing around. And while the system is bleeding, guys, it's a good time to go over your work. Make sure there's no leaks. Make sure the hoses are not leaking. And if they're leaking, then you're fucked. Well, not really, I'm just playing. We can still tighten them up. So the fan's kicked on. If I look at the scan tool, here's a engine coolant temperature sensor. See, it's at 201, so it's looking good. Not overheating, staying within 201, 210. She's looking good. No overheating. See how the needle looks a little above? But the scan tool says 201. So it's looking good. Air pockets is bled out. Now all we gotta do is put the radiator cap on and put this plastic trim on. So let's go and do that. And make sure the reservoir is full. This is full. And then take this adapter off. And we're good to go. You can put your cap back on. Now we can grab this plastic trim and finish buttoning it up. All right, guys, well, that is it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Basic hand tools, you can get the job done. You can do it on some jack and jack stands. You don't need the fancy lifts. A lot of people always text me and saying, well, you got a lift, it's easier for you. It's just the same as the jack and jack stands and the lift. It's more fun on the floor, guys. All right, guys, see you guys on the next one.